Hi everyone, it's Don with Bsafe. One thing that we can agree on is that system-wide resources are very hard to find these days, and we are being asked to do more and more with less. To make matters worse, we often have to perform the same tasks repeatedly. For example, we may be asked by management to generate a report of users who are disabled. This is a simple report. However, the problem is that there are 30 LPARs on our network that spans 5 states. This can take a very long time. With the Bsafe multi-system reporting capability, we can reduce the time it takes to generate these reports between the 30 LPARs significantly. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to accomplish our reporting feat. Let me go ahead and expand this login and choose the report generator and choose my sample report here. What you'll notice within the Bsafe Report Generator is that there are many functions and features. However, I'm just going to quickly step through the definition of this report just to give you a quick idea of what the report looks like. So every report definition entails 4 tabs. The general tabs has basically general information. There's a selection criteria tab. Now, since this is a user profile related report, I can choose here to run it against an individual ID, groups of users, or generic name, and or in my case, I'm just going to choose all user profile for my run. Okay. Now this is the neat feature is going to be the systems criteria here, where I can run this report against a local system, a remote system, or a group of systems. Okay, I can choose this group of system called the Ocean West here, and quickly run my report against all the systems and LPARs within that group. As you can see, very easy to follow. The Queries tab has basically a wizard that you're going to use to define your report. Okay, let me just pull this over, and basically this has fields that I'm going to include in my report, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Next now and scroll down here and choose the status attribute and define it to equal disable. Now this obviously can be any value I want, enable or disable. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at as disabled. Click on Next here, and this is the sorting capability of my report. I'm just going to quickly click on Next and finish. The Output tab has basically layouts in which I want to have my report, whether it's a portrait layout or a landscape layout. I can also have a version of the spool file, a spool version of this report. And also I can have a report viewer version whereby I can further define my report, further customize it. Okay, let's just give you an idea of what that looks like. In the report viewers tab, I can double click on the result of my run. Okay, and notice here the status has all disabled, disabled for all of the accounts here. All right. Customization, you can now, whether you can choose to exclude columns out of here or add columns, if you will, and ultimately you can export this view into a PDF format or an HTML format or a CSV format. All right. Well, I would like to go ahead and end it here. I hope that this was very informative and helpful for everyone. And if you would like more information, please give Bsafe a call. With that, I would like to thank you all for listening and have a great day.